Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda. Let me roar, roar. There's my kitty cat in the back. It is fall. I'm wearing my first hoodie of the season. I'm very excited about it. Today we have the Ipsy Glam bag, which is $13. And I'm going to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. And it's got a good weight to it today. And I'm very excited to see what we've got in here. I did get to choose one item. The Ipsy Glam bag. It's only $13. And the first item was my choice item, was an angled brush by La Rousse. And that is a very nice brush. It's got a nice feel to it. It's got some weight to it. It's very soft. And I love to put in angled colors. So colors on an angle. Heroes on a half shell. Anybody? I don't know why I said that. But somehow the Ninja Mutant Turtles, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles popped in my brain. And we have a gorgeous iridescent bag. Ooh, are you feeling sleepy? I'm going to hypnotize you with my bag. I'm very silly today. Starting off, we have from Basic Skin, we have a lip product. And I believe it's a lip scrub. It's sealed, so I'm not going to open it because I have lots of lip scrubs. But this is great, and it may be in a future giveaway. This is a very nice size lip scrub. And this is definitely a full-size brush. Then we have from Briogeo, the Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. This stuff is fantastic. I love Briogeo products. Is it sealed? It is sealed, so I'm going to keep it sealed because I've got a giveaway coming up soon and some of this stuff might make it in there. We'd love to give things away here. But this is great, and this is good enough to use several times to see if you like it or not. So that's cool. Then we have, oh, this is heavy. This is where the weight comes in. This is from Lottie London. And it is an ombre power foil eyeshadow. It is like a golden color, like kind of a coppery color. It is also sealed. I'm not going to open it because, like I said, I've got a big giveaway coming up. But it's beautiful. Oh, we've got a card. Let's take a look at the card. The School for Good and Evil. You got this is the theme. And it gives us some glam guides of, things to do, like the glazed donut skin, with a highlighter. It's a no makeup look, new smoky eye, and monochromatic draping. Woo! Very nice. It's worth nothing to me. And this is not a full size, but it is a full travel size of hemp, sweet pineapple, and honey melon herbal body butter. And this stuff is fantastic. I have gone through many, many, many bottles of hemp lotion, and I love it. This is also sealed, but I have so many lotions that it's crazy because I get all these subscription boxes. So I get hand lotions and body lotions and butters and creams and things. So this will make a great gift at Christmas, in a stocking or something, because I'm already starting to think about Christmas shopping. So for $13, like this is worth like $8 by itself. And then this brush is probably at least $12. So we definitely made our value back in the bag. So we've got the lotion, the brush, a lip scrub, a decent size hair cream and a full size. So we had 2 full size and 1 full travel size items this month, and it is very good this month. I'm very happy with my glam bag, and I will definitely be using this, and the other 3 are up for grabs. So with that, I will thank you so much for being with me here today. I hope you have a fantastic day or day of your choice, and we will see you real soon. Bye.